Alright, so the next step on our journey here to creating an AI animated video would be to create our characters. So thus far we've created the story script, but now it's time to bring those characters in the script to life. And the way you would do that is you would need to generate 3D images by leveraging an AI tool so that we can take those images and then ultimately integrate them in some AI video generation program. So there's a couple of ways that you can do this, and I'm going to show you at least two different methods. So one method is, and this one requires for you to have a paid subscription with ChatGPT, is to go to chatgpt.com/GPTs. And then when you search GPTs, what you can do is you can type in consistent characters, and then it should load the consistent character GPT, fast and high quality GPT. When you go here, you can essentially prompt the type of character you're looking for, and it will generate it for you. This is only if you have the paid subscription. However, for the purpose of this course, we're going to be leveraging another tool known as Leonardo AI. So Leonardo AI will do just as good of a job, and it's also free. Now, Leonardo AI is not completely free. You get 150 credits per day, which actually, frankly, is sufficient for what we're trying to do. You can always purchase more credits, but it will suffice for the video animation that we are seeking to create. So let's go ahead and log in. I'm going to be logging in with my email address, my Google account that is. Then once I get here, this is the main page. And in order for you to create images, we want to go to image creation under AI tools. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you start generating your images is set all the configurations in Leonardo AI. So the first thing here to your left is the preset. Now, there's different presets that you can select for your video animation. For the purpose of the type of video animation we're making, I think concept art is probably your best bet. It'll give you more of like that Disney look, which I think is really neat, really cool. So we're going to go ahead and click on concept art. And then for the preset style, we're going to select Game Concept 3D. That one will give you the most 3D flavor out of all the other ones. So let's select that since we're focusing on 3D video animations. The contrast being medium is fine. So it all depends what you want there. The generation mode, you can select either quality or fast, but for quality, you do need a premium account. So for now, we'll go with fast. And then for the image dimensions, you're going to click on more, and then we're going to select Facebook, 16 by 9, because that's pretty standard for platforms like Facebook and YouTube, for instance. So we're going to go ahead with that. Then you can also select small, medium, large. We're going to go with the medium. The large is a premium feature. For the number of images, it all depends. But we're going to stick with 4. If you did want to bring that down, you would need the premium account, but 4 is fine. The more the merrier in this case. Why not? So then we're just going to go to advanced settings, and we're going to click on albedo base Excel, which looks to already be selected. So in my experimentation, this model gives it a really good feel to the story. So I'm going to go ahead with that for our image creation. And so once you've set all the configurations in your Leonardo AI platform, you'll then be ready to enter in your prompts that will essentially start creating your characters. And we will talk about that next.